Welcome to another form types and DocuSign video, and in this video I'll show you how to set DocuSign document to be status draft. So let's go to our DocuSign. We'll insert a nice document in here, like a demo sign agreement, and then we'll just insert some fields. So I'll get a signature like this, and then I'll insert some text boxes. I'm going to go ahead and hide the label. This, and like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and tag them. So just so I know what they are. First name, last name, email, and then we'll do mobile. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it a, so we'll tell you what, I'll give it a document there. So we'll say this draft document demo so we know which one it is. Next up is the access. I'll give it a dynamic access, so we'll do it from Salesforce. We'll say contact. We'll use allow Salesforce button, so we'll use it by a button. And then we just simply add the user. We'll call him user1, configure, add object, we'll choose contact. Condition is going to be contact ID equals record ID. And then map the fields, and then it's first name, last name, and then email. Apply and finish. Once I've done that, I just need to assign all the fields here. So like this, general, we'll assign this, add user, and this has been done. Alright, now if I want to do a get on those fields, I can do that as well. So if I go back in here, rest of my fields are here now, so I'll just assign them so my user can see their details before they go ahead and sign. So that's how it's done. And then now it's just basically all we have to do is publish it and it's good to go. So I should be able to access this here, but as always, I need to make sure that a collaborator has the access for it. So if I go to my account, collaborators, this is really important, so I'll do it from scratch. I'll remove this one now. We'll add collaborator from Salesforce, or you can add one manually. I'll choose myself. Next, apply, and it's in there. Okay. Next up, what I want to do is make sure that they have the DocuSign permissions. So this is my draft document demo, and I'm going to give that permission to sign. Then I'll go into my contacts here, go to Joe Blogs, click on my button. So we'll let this load up. Here it is, my draft document demo. I'll click sign. Now this is going to come through to my email, and I'm the one who's going to sign this. So we'll go to my Gmail. Let it load up. Okay, here we are. You are requested to sign a document, and all I'm going to do is take this URL and we'll chuck it into incognito mode, like this. Now let's say I'm the end user, and first of all I'm going to get a 2FA to log back into this doc. So let's get my 2FA. There's my security code 62421. 62421. Let's confirm that I'm in. Okay, I'm in now, and you know what? I'm looking at this and I'm like, oh, you know what? This is wrong. This is not right. So what I want to do is I want to set this as draft. So on top right, I'll click draft, and then this is now going to get set as draft, like this. You can see that it's watermarked on top. Okay, so now this is finished as draft, and then in my email I'm going to receive a URL saying, hey, it's been saved as a draft. So now I can access it, go back into incognito mode, like this. Again, it's going to check I'm the person accessing this document, which I am. and then I'll get the security code coming in, which is here, 75424. 75424. I'll confirm, and then I'm in. And now you can see it's set as draft, but I'm going to go ahead and sign it, add my signature, and I'm going to say finish sign. Okay. Now the document's going to get submitted. And as it's finishing the process, there's my document saying, hey, this has been signed now, it's all good to go. And this is how it's done. It's very, very simple. Status equals complete. This is what we need to know. It's all good. So that's how it's done. Normally, when the document is set to draft, it will show you the draft watermark on the document. Once it's been submitted, it's completed, you'll get the receipt, and you're good to go.